Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel today. How are you doing? Today I'm going to be taking you through how I make the simplest strawberry mousse for our fillings. So what I just did was wash the strawberry, cut it into tiny pieces so I can blend it. I have sugar in that white container beside me. I'm going to be dropping the recipe in the description box below. So I'm just going to blend it. I have whipped cream that already done, and so I'm just going pouring a bit of it and then mixing it together. This is actually the yummies, and it's so simple to make. Like, you don't need to add gelatins or anything into this, and it's very simple. You will love this. It's delicious. I use for my strawberry and red velvet cake. I hope you like this. Try it and let me know. Thank you guys.